Okay, hello. Oops, we have the wrong video capture device. Ooh, that's kind of funny. Oh, and other bugs. Fun. Let's make you nice and small again. And I'll try and keep an eye out on that for the remainder of the stream. Also, let me as always, double check. I did a 2-hour stream last week. This week will not be 2 hours. I'll try and keep an eye out on that for the audio seems pretty good. Stream. Also, a little on the high end. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. And then again, let me know if we get any issues there. I locked it there. Sorry about that. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Good morning, Kwame. Good morning, Clara. Just seeing how the audio goes at 21. Sorry about that. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Good morning, Kwame. Good morning, Clara. It's a little better. It's a bit high still, but a little better. And yeah, I hope to learn something new as well. I hope you guys will learn something new also. Let me lock the volume again at 21, and here we go. So good morning, everyone, and welcome to Chloethedev Unfiltered. I don't even have water with me today. I'm a little bit unprepared, but that's all right. This should be a short and sweet stream today. We're going to be digging a little more into a tool called Pikespeak. But before we do so, we're going to go through our normal flow. We're going to start with the Meteor Wallet, and we are going to do some harvesting with our tinkers. And so that's generally the first thing I do when I come to my terminal and I start interacting with the blockchain once again. I think my eyes got worse. I probably didn't sleep well last night. But we can close this. I don't think we got any more tinkers. We have no contracts, which we'd see under here, sadly. But there we go. We harvested a little bit of moon tokens, and we are on our way. Okay, so for MetaPool, again, I'm going to move through things a lot quicker than I used to. It's still showing. I'm not showing the estimated APY. I'm not seeing that anymore, which is a bit weird. Oh, here it is. Okay. So monthly rewards is 3.77 ST near. The estimated APY at 55%, so not too bad. Yearly APY, considering. In the grants, again, I am voted. You can see under my votes, I am currently voted for in the mpDAO round 7. I'm currently voting for Venomity.near, which is the near Antigua proposal. I wish it showed the appropriate proposal name here, like not just the account name of the user and the month, but like the actual proposal name. But again, that's all right. I think when I submit MPIPs, like MetaPool improvement proposals, I'm just going to submit UI fixes and get the community to vote on them. So I think my first, so I had a meeting with Claudio last week. It was a great discussion. We talked about a few different things. At the end, just kind of discussed, how we can continue to collaborate and work together in the future. And just, Claudio was sharing that for MetaPool, they're going to work on their contract upgrades to allow for MPIPs to be submitted under the new governance system, because currently it's not hooked up to. It doesn't seem like it's hooked up to the new mpDAO token appropriately yet. But that's coming. So the idea is then during these live streams, we might work on some MetaPool improvement proposals, mainly to update the UI. So can we update the naming here? Under the grant section, can we get appropriate searching? You could sort here. Oh, if I say sort by, I can get the I can get the search. So maybe you should start with search by and do this random search and give you a search bar at the top instead of saying search alphabet. I think it. Also, now it gives you most voted, least voted alphabetically. Interesting. But it almost seems like it should still just give you search by and then open the first one. Like this should be the main UI. First of all, this space, actually this is fine. I'd say remove this space at the top and have this, right, be in line with this at the side. So you save an extra bit of space here. And then in that space, also there's a bunch of dead space here. But this this could be pushed up, or there could be some other. I mean, I don't know. I understand why it's here, just more visually appealing. But I feel like the first results, the current results should be here, and then past results should be, yeah. Where are my current results? Sorry, the current results should be right here when it says sort by. And if I go alphabetically, then yes, it should show me other stuff. But anyways, let's go with most voted. In my opinion, the most logical way to look at it. And my head is a bit in the way, but that's all right. We'll scroll down and look. So you have 3.2 million votes for Meta June workshop exploring near an mpDAO system and token economics. This platform is looking for $650, and looks like they're definitely going to get it. With 6 days left, they have. Oh gosh, it went back to least voted. It should also save whatever selection I've used in the past, of course, right? They have 15% of the vote. I think that would have been around $20,000 they could have requested, but those funds can be requested in future months. They've been pre-approved for future funding, which is awesome. Proposal for Metapool expansion in South Korea got 12% of the vote, so maybe approved for about $15,000 US, and they're looking for around $3,000 in funding, and this is for CoinEasy. I can't read this. I'm sorry. 2 events. This is the formatting is one big block. My brain's not going to sift through that information. But awesome job to CoinEasy, if that was the project. Educating Filipino OFW about Metapool and cryptocurrency. Oh gosh, sorry. It keeps changing. Metapool Vietnam X MeDo Learn to Earn series, decentralized education. Got around 2 million votes as well, probably around $12,000 grant for them. mpDAO retroactive funding QF potluck round, around 5%, so around $8,000. So as you can see, keeps going. Scholarship fund for Latin American students, round 2. I would love to see scholarship rounds for students. They're asking for $8,000. Huh? I don't think this is US dollars though. I don't know where to find if there's a US equivalent, but maybe that is US dollars. If that is, might be a bit tough for them to get that value. And then of course, if we're looking, there's actually been quite a few. So near Antigua's mpDAO proposal initiative. So I actually love to see this. Remember, so let's just start from around 1%. 1% of the vote is around $1,000, and maybe around $1,500. Let's call it max $1,500. So, oh no, we also can't right-click to open in a new tab. This hurts. So I have to click each one, and then it's going to break on the way back. This is not a very fun to use UI. Doesn't save my settings, like my cookies, and then doesn't allow me to open a new tab of each thing. But again, need better formatting. They're looking for, it doesn't say, 4,000. So it looks like they actually won't get the request. So a lot of these proposals, the issue is, I'm just trying to show, it's actually very difficult to navigate the page. I won't do it too much. But let's just try and find another one randomly. So someone wants to make an AI chatbot for Metapool. Okay, they got 306,000 votes. 1.7%. That's around 2,000, maybe 2,500 max that they can request in this grant proposal. They're looking for $3,000. So as you can see, they're actually probably above the amount, and with their current amount of votes, probably won't be able to get the funding. So within the next 6 days, more people can continue funding this proposal and get it across that line. I don't know the exact. I mean, I do have the exact numbers somewhere. I'm not sure if it's fully public information though. So there's a live spreadsheet managing all this data. All the grantees have it. So if you are a grantee and you decide to go through this process to search for a grant, I'm going to go through the process next week next month. And when I go through the process myself, or maybe the month after, I will be sharing more of this information publicly. But for now, I want to let you know the grantee. I'm not a grantee, arguably. I'm just advising a grantee team, and so yeah, don't want to be sharing information that isn't necessarily mine to share. And then again, there's also, you can vote for validators, and I shared mpIP information as well. So if people want to learn more about mpIP process, learn more here. I want to log in and just see if it's showing my voting power. So yes, I need 200,000 voting power. I don't know why it's not even showing me as logged in. I'm gonna have to just fully recreate this. Because what? Sorry. The boss, near social, all this stuff has changed a bit. It's a bit confusing. But not working at the moment, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. Over the next few weeks, as it gets fixed, we will go through that a little bit more. Sorry, I do not have my second screen open today. That is 100% on me. Let's see. Usually, sorry. Here we go. Sorry. GM Hannah, GM Asante, GM Raheru, GM Nedlar, Batley, Labron, Kame, and Tortum. GM all. I always forget how I bring up. Anyways, that's alright. I have my second screen open here now, so that was on me. Here we go. Anyways, that is more about MetaPool and what's been happening recently. Again, there'll be more to share a little bit in July. I actually haven't, more to come in July, and we'll engage a bit more there. Next, I usually go through DeltaTrade, but I'm going to be... Oh, that's annoying. So, I don't know if anyone even cares, but you used to be able to just drag and drop, unless it's because the bar is locked. I don't think so. Anyways, you used to be able to take your tabs and just drag them, right? Just drag this left and right. But you can't do that anymore. So now you have to, play in your brain to see which tab should go at the right. So the tab that I don't want, that I want the least, right, should get moved to the start first. Or you can move to the end. Okay, so that's helpful. Then, oops, nope. Okay, so then the tab you want the second least should move to the start. Then I want Pikespeak to move to the start, right? Then the tab I want the third least, move to the start. Then the tab you want here, move to the start. And I guess you guys can see my tab in the screen, so you can see me having fun with this. So now my tabs are good. You got ChatGPT. You have Meteor Wallet, MetaPool, Pikespeak. So for those of you that don't know about Pikespeak, it's pikespeak.ai. It is a... Oops, did not what I wanted to do. Sorry. It is a data analytics platform built for the Near protocol ecosystem. So we talked a bit about Near blocks previously, right? Latest transactions are here. Latest blocks are here. You can check out the active validators and get a lot more information about what's going on. So you can vote in Metapool, for example. Pikespeak has a lot of similar information, not all the exact information, but so you still get all the transactions in order. But instead of, you also get all the fungible transfers. So every single time someone sends a fungible transfer, specifically, it's been indexed, it's been sifted through to show exactly what you want to see. You can see all the fungible token transfers. If you only want to see stable coins, right, USDC, USDT, Frax, all that kind of stuff, you can see all the stablecoin transfers. There's been 418,000 USDT transferred today. 2,600 accounts have been transferring. So it seems like USDT is still the most active stablecoin on every blockchain. Mostly, it seems, even though USDC might be the one that most people hear about and the one that most people are engaging with. It seems as though USDT is interacting with more accounts, which from my very high level analysis would make me feel as though hopefully it means you can see it. So yeah, you can see the tabs. So probably more bots. There's probably more bots using USDT. USDT has a lot of liquidity on various blockchains. USDC, hopefully we'll get more liquidity soon. Hopefully, like I was sharing, on Ref Finance, when you go to limit orders, a lot of these limit orders are still on USDC-E for some reason. I think one of them might be USDC. Yeah, near USDC. So when these all get switched over to USDC, that should bring more value to USDC. Maybe having all of these to USDC-E's to bring more value there. I don't see the purpose though. If anything, there should be one near to USDC-E, or keep them all open. Or yeah, there's other ways to handle it. But native USDC should be what's used. USDC-E just means the token was minted on Ethereum and then bridged over the Rainbow Bridge from Aurora to Near. That's all E means at the end. It's from Ethereum. So USDC, Frax, USD with an E at the end, and then DAI. So yeah, you can see the top Near transfers. So first Near transfers, and then who created the most Near accounts. So obviously, it's pretty cool to see. So Meteor Wallet has created 35,000 accounts. Actually, you can go all the way down and start seeing who's created the most accounts. Aurora created 92. Cluster created a few. There's a doc.sailgp. So Near Foundation sponsors a sailing league, a professional sailing league called SailGP. Seems like they have an onboard procedure. They've onboarded 273 wallets. Don't know who these people are, but one TG account onboarded 300 accounts, which is pretty cool. Maybe it's farming a bunch, maybe it's real, who knows? But then you can look into this account and you could see, okay, well, what's this account been doing? Where have funds been going? So what I like to see is the graph, and you could see, okay, well, looks actually very suspicious. These all have I at the front, and they all seem like the exact same amount of Near for the most part going to many of them. So I'm not going to do a long analysis, but again, you can quickly look into accounts, quickly see a graph of where they've been interacting, and just based on all these names being I, let's check out one of them. It would, it seems like this account's been transacting a few, anyways, history, I'm assuming they're only claiming hot. Claiming hot. So this person, these seem like all onboarding wallets, and I'm assuming this is someone that's hacking hot, I would assume. Because if you onboarded all these people, and so this is probably the minimum account amount needed for hot to create the wallets, maybe. But I would assume that if you were actually onboarding real people, the names wouldn't all be I, So it's probably some bot that just went by. Then I don't know why they used I to just index all of their accounts, and you can again. So it's Pikespeak is awesome because you can very easily see, okay, this person's created, this many accounts. It might be, a bot, blah, 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 and you can very easily see stuff like that from Pikespeak. So there you go. A reason to use Pikespeak. You can find bots and stuff pretty quickly. Mintbase.near, 4,600 accounts. Shout out to Mintbase. I'm going to be getting a Mintbase claim link that I share on this stream weekly to help you set up a Mintbase wallet, because I did say that to get, I did say that to get today's drop, 0.819 marmaj. So yeah, feel free to share your Near account now. I don't have the screen up for some reason. Usually it comes up automatically, and this is the first time I haven't had it come up. And so I do have a second screen though. Do drop your Near account any point in time if you'd like, and I'll send out 0.819 marmaj. But I did say that I'm going to search for if you've posted on Minsta. So Hannah with an H at the end .near. Thank you. But then I'm going to check Hannah with an H at the end .near. Has Hannah posted on? Ooh, it actually didn't work. It just showed up everything. So that's not good. See, so you guys are helping me test the platform. So Hannah H .near. I'm going to print screen. I'm going to just take that screenshot. And then I'm just going to open up Telegram and send over it to the dev chat. When searching for so I'm just typing out, when I search for an account that has no shared moments, UI shows all. So yeah, just quick little bug report. So if you guys find any bugs, we are going to add our Telegram here on the screen somewhere. I guess probably at the top for socials, right? To keep it clean. I like how clean the bottom is. I guess this little bar at the bottom could have some stuff. But yeah, not yet. So not yet for you, Hannah, for your 0.819 marmaj. And I did also say that, so maybe we can get you some, since you were the first account listed. Let's see. Oh, but Hannah H. .near might not have Near Social filled out because, let's do 0.19. Because it's a second account, I think, right? Ooh, see? Uh-oh. Tisk, Hannah. So yeah, Near Social needs to be filled out to get the 0.19, and if you want the full 0.819, then you have to post on minsta.org. So let's check out. We have to add homework every week. This is like my little NCR class. Lead bell. It's like, it looks like it's reflecting off itself. Cool name. I like it. Leadbell. Leadbell.near. Continue. You are on here, and I'm assuming you're not here yet, but let's check. Leadbell.near. Seems like no. Because let's double check. Chloe.near. It does usually show up when I. Oh, wait a second. Search isn't working at all. That was my bad. Yeah, the dev just reminded me as well. I misunderstood. I thought that the search was working, that the filtering wasn't, but it does make sense. The search and the filtering is happening at the same time. So I thought that the search was implemented on Friday. So yeah, you know what? I still have to post on Minsta. We'll do this week. I will let everyone off the hook for this week. 0.819. I'll let everyone off the hook for this week on the Minsta because on our side we don't have the filtering yet. So I'll just go, you know what? I couldn't even tell because I couldn't search. So on my end. So leadbell.near. There we go. You have a post. Yes. Okay, drop your Near account. Okay, let's do Hannah as well. 0.819. marmaj. Although, wait. Hannah didn't have the Near social. So sorry, Hannah, you only get the 0.19. Mwahaha, even though I know you have a Near social. Hannah H. And make sure I don't forget that. Give some random Hannah some marmaj. Okay, so Hannah H. Near 0.19 because you're here and having a good time with us. But your Near social needs to get filled out. I saw a notice today saying that developers shouldn't build on Boss anymore because it's not very, what's it called? Not very stable. I think it's so annoying. I think Boss is like, anyways, I think Near social is one of the coolest thing that exists in Web3. And so I think maybe Boss shouldn't be built on. I don't know. I don't care. But Near social should still be built on. So that's why dev.near.org or whatever else, I don't use any of it. But near.social I do use, and I think that everyone in the Near ecosystem should be using it. Also, Batale, please drop your Near account. I tried to change it to all messages, so it should be fine. And then I do see your name, Clara, so Clara copy.near. What happened before is I had, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. 0.819. What happened before was YouTube keeps auto changing my stream to only show me the top messages, and so it keeps hiding some of the messages. But cloudcopy.near, marmaj. Let's see if you got the yes, Near social filled out. 0.819 for coming out and hanging out with us. Mucho apreciado. Oh, Hannah's made a post. But Hannah, do you have your Near social filled out yet? That's the important one for this week. Okay, let's see. 0.8 dot near Hannah H. Continue. No. We need Near social. Am I even logged? Yes, I'm logged in here. Oh yeah. And then I said, for some reason you can't edit your here, edit profile. So you gotta have your image, your profile image right here. Yeah. I gotta do the image for the 0.819. Because to me, this is how I know who people are. I know you're not a bot because you spent a little bit of Near to update your profile picture on here, and like you can, feel free to add your link so I know who people are on here. But for me, that's how I'm gonna know who you guys are. Because every week when I come through here, I'll be like, oh, I remember giving 0.819 to 10pat.near. Because screen names are so hard for me to memorize. But Near social accounts, super easy for me to remember. Tanapat, awesome. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for sharing. Post on minta.org if you want the 0.819 next week, because next week it'll be 0.19 for having the Near social, and then 0.819 for the whole thing. And then we'll keep adding like new homework and like small things each time. But yeah, Minsta, we're trying our best to make this. Okay, so to me, I miss Instagram when it was just like a place to post pictures to share for free, right? I just wanted to see my friends' pictures. I wanted to see my pictures. I wanted to post for free. All this store. It was expensive to store on the cloud, especially when Instagram first came out, and it was annoying to think about having to store on a computer or on a phone because you might lose that computer or phone. So I think of, ooh, that was live. Ooh, that was new. Live updating. Great job. So now I can see. So what has not been implemented yet is the descriptions, but Hannah with the post. Woo woo. So I like how it was live. So AI descriptions are coming this week, as well as the adding your own descriptions. Also, you'll be able to share this in more places, and a like button, which will be added to the social DB from Near Social. So Hannah.near should show your Near Social information, as well as when I like this post, it should be a like on social database for Near Social. That should be coming the next week or so. And that should give us, and then again, if you could start seeing only, the filtering will allow you to see only your images, which would give you your feed, the explore page, which would be this feed, and then you can have like, show me the most liked by tags, and that gives you basically, different themed feeds, and gives you the way to kind of have a hot and trending feed as well as chronological. So, not really a social media platform, but it is kind of slowly becoming that. So get in early, take lots of pictures. There's a leaderboard, so you can, track how you're doing. There will be, for now, just NFTs given out to the leaderboard as we test out the distribution, but we will be testing out the distribution of weekly rewards on this platform. And so, keep taking pictures weekly. At least one picture a week, and you'll be eligible for the weekly reward. So go on here, post once a week, and you have to use your Mint-based wallet for now. We're going to add other wallets, but this will be how we kind of gauge. And view reward, this is not correct at the moment. Please don't hold us to this. We are going to change this very quickly. If you want to see my side, I have an admin panel. This is not the real admin panel. I'm not logged in as an admin right now. But there'll be leaderboard criteria. So, for example, maybe you have to have one near in there, or maybe your account has to be above a certain age, or maybe you have to be an account that's not on this list. So if I blacklist someone and I blacklist Hannah H.near, then the leaderboard criteria would be, not Hannah H.near. Right? Obviously, it would look better than that, but that would be like the function that is in that section. As for share settings, this is where you would add where you want the link to be and what you want the share link to say. So Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. This is going to give unique share information for those platforms and allow you to share there. Giveaway details is for now NFTs to top, posters. For example, like a Shih Tzu NFT, maybe we can give that to the top poster. Maybe everyone gets a free NFT. Maybe top 10 people get 0.1 near. Right? We're going to try and add NFTs and fungible tokens, but we're going to be testing that out over the next month or so. And then you just save your settings, which obviously won't work at the moment. So I guess we'll be sharing Minsta daily as well, but at the end. I just kind of wanted to share a bit more about Mint-Base, and I got very distracted sharing what Mint-Base was doing. Tortum. I don't want to miss people. 0.819. marmaj. Near. Awesome. Tortum.near. You're a real person. And yes, seems like you did post as well. Posts are coming through. Thank you, everyone, for engaging. So let's see. I want to see some more. So Sweat, 180,000. Kaiching, 2 million. And then .tg, Hot Wallet, as we've seen, 2.2 million accounts. But as we've seen, a lot of those are probably bots. Totally fine. But still, 2.3 million accounts is pretty amazing, even if a number of them are bots. Especially if we got to see what I would love to see here is active child accounts. That to me would be the most, and like 30, like I want to see yearly active, 30 days active, and weekly active and daily active. So that's what I think this is missing is, yes, show me all the accounts that have been created off of you, but then show me, like, are those accounts still active and how much gas have they spent? Because, okay, so if I look up an account like Chloe.near, and I would suggest go to Pikespeak.ai, type in your near account, and look up, is it not here? I'm going to cry. Oh my gosh. It's actually not here. Well, I need to tell them to add that back in. Because I'm pretty sure it used to be here. Let's go to Nearblocks. So it is on Nearblocks. I'm a bit sad it's not on Pikespeak. This is a Pikespeak video. And I'm going here. Here, storage used. So this is the data that I want Pikespeak to show. I'm actually going to screenshot this and ping DDA right now because I do not see why that information would not be on Pikespeak. It is very, very useful. Hey there, good day, GM. Streaming currently, haha, and showcasing realized that the profile page for accounts doesn't seem to show storage used. I'm asking you as a question because I could be wrong and I could have missed it, and maybe we'll find it right now. But I'm going to send him this, and I'm going to send him Nearblocks links, and he can look for himself. Maybe I'm blind today. I don't have my glasses on. A lot of amazing information, like shows you the parent account, which is a bit scary. Shows you the linked Ethereum accounts, which is again a bit scary. Shows you where you're staking. I'm staking with a lot of random pools. Even this one's not even active anymore, but I'm still staking with them. Shih Tzu, random stuff. Awesome. All the tokens you have, which is great. It even shows some scam tokens. Like these are scam tokens. These are unregistered tokens. So that's cool to see. Your balance, your DeFi portfolio. It shows you how much unclaimed rewards you have. So if you don't want to check Ref Finance all the time, you can come on to Pikespeak and go, oh, I should claim 40 cents here and $13 here and 50 cents here and 15 cents, all these memes and all these things. I do not like that I don't see the storage, but that is one useful piece of information that is sometimes seen on Pikespeak. Okay. What I wanted to dig into right now, DeFi is the new tab. This is one of the coolest tabs that I've seen. It's live again. Yes, we have live information. So this was not working for a bit, but now we're live. So what I'm excited to see is Chloe.near. Whoops. No, I want DeFi. Oh, it's not letting me search. Okay, search. I want to search. Again, this is the marmaj stream 2, right? So show me marmaj. This shows me. Oh no, it's only. So the indexing is still not live. Sorry. So indexing is from 13 days ago, so we're not there yet. But you can see everyone who traded marmaj in the past. If I want to search up Hannah H, actually I won't put you on blast right here. But if you want to search up Chloe.near, say you want to do taxes, and you want to say, okay, when did Chloe.near trade marmaj in the past 30 days for my taxes? But again, you can do it for the only 90 days, which kind of sucks actually. You need at least 365 days for tax history. But for the past month, you can do this once a month. So say once a month, you did 90 days just to get all historical data and make sure it was accurate and delete duplications. Here you go. I can see all the trades that Chloe made with marmaj from obviously 22 days ago for the month, and I can export this Let's see, where's the export? I guess it's not here. They're still working on this. It's beta. It's new, but very cool. The meme race is up as well, so you can see. Where's marmaj on this meme race? Rude, and you can fuel them here. I'm actually gonna message DDA about that too. Also, would be great to see marmaj here. Haha. Because on Ref, when you go to meme season, feed your meme, you can do marmaj. You can feed marmaj. I'm not going to do that, but marmaj is here. We didn't do very well in the list, so maybe it doesn't need to be added. But we're up there. We are not last place. So there's that. If you have looked what I'm talking about with Feed Your Meme, I talked about it a few times on different streams. It's not that big of a deal. Ooh, Hannah H. near social profiles up. So exciting. Okay, let's triple check. Point 8. No double dipping. Hannah near. Continue. And we're going to say it hasn't indexed yet, and we're going to give you a chance. All right, equals Hannah H dot near. And whoa, the buzzing. No need for all that. Here we go. Okay. Hannah, I don't know if the profile picture saved. The background did save. I'll follow you. Perfect. But yeah, marmaj go. But Hannah, I think you got to go back and save your profile picture. Sadly, you have 1 follower now, though. You're welcome. But I will wait for that. DDA messaged back already. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So he said yes. He'll add marmaj to the spot. So marmaj will get added here. Super cool to see. Metrics. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Ooh. Okay. Let's go back. DeltaTrade is what I want to see. Oh, that's not. This is kind of cool. New users to DeltaTrade. I want to see per pool maybe, so we can see how many. Sorry. Oops. Sorry. Last one. Would be great to see onboarded users per pool, so we can see how much. Yeah, so this is literally what, yeah, anyways, DD is like, that's a good point, thanks. Yeah, I should message Claudio. Actually, Claudio, I feel like he's a bit busy, but... Ooh. Lots of exciting things happening in my DMs. I can't get distracted. My gosh. Your near account turns red when you comment it. Okay, yeah, so Claudia, I think, was having this issue. Put spaces between each letter. Like B space A space T space A space L space Y dot or space dot space N space E space A space R. YouTube might, because lots of people are sending their near accounts, YouTube might be having like a spam filter to stop like bots from spamming my comments with like the same comment or a similar comment. So no worries there. Sorry, just halfway working. I'm loving the pictures, love the guitar. I have a few back here. I don't know if you can see them. 2 or 3 guitars back. Oh, 3, yeah. Oh, other way. Yeah, 3 guitars there. So I do love my guitar playing. Ooh, I love the artwork. Clara, oh my gosh. so very talented. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. I'm sorry, but talking was cool. But seeing flowers, hopefully from someone, and then seeing someone's guitar, their artwork, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool way to show the community. I mean, this was my partner downtown. This was me on a walk with my dog. I did some baking of some buns. I think some more downtown pictures. And so, in my opinion, if we can get some, again, if we can have tags for art and creativity, we could have tags for maybe music specifically. I love the art ones. I definitely want to tag for just maybe creatives. Tag for creatives for sure. Tortum, thank you very much for sharing. I love the artwork share. I'm giving you a chance here, Hannah. I don't know. Okay. So it says it worked for you. Didn't say it worked for me. And I don't have the stream up. So sad that I don't have my normal. No. Anyways, Batali, I don't see your Near account yet. Sadly, you can drop it in the Telegram. I can grab that, the Telegram channel, pretty easily. So this is like the main chat that I use if anything's buggy or not working. You could also drop your Near account in here, like it's. Oops. Let's actually do this. Okay. So yeah, Batali, feel free to drop it in the Telegram channel, and I'll grab it from there. And Hannah, I'm giving you a chance here, to get that profile picture up. I don't know. Test account. I love it. So everyone, it worked. BAT, perfect. So Hannah, you're coming down off the list. Sorry. 0.819 to Batalis.near. It probably have to go through a spam filter or something like that again. Let's see. Yes, and you have your profile filled out. The wallet should allow you to follow that person on their social. That would be a really cool addition. You have a picture, but it's glitchy. Okay, I don't know. Well, since we're using Pikespeak, let's creep on you. Yeah, use another picture. We'll try and creep on you for now and double check. So Hannah interacted with set social.near for a function call. Hannah sent. See? No, there's no image. See? You gotta double check, Hannah. Because on the blockchain, when I check Hannah.near, setting the profile on social.near, the image is blanca. So what I think happened is sometimes it gets glitchy. So what probably happened is when you went to update your profile, let's say I wanted to replace this. Actually, I'm not going to. It's going to be a huge hassle. Let's see. Maybe it won't be a hassle. No, it will be a hassle. Oh, no, it won't be. Let's say I want to change it to this random screenshot. Okay. And then I hit save. Ugh, that was annoying. I was hoping it would give me a pop-up, but I told it not to, so now it won't. And I'm going to have to go back to this. Anyways. Simple enough. Hopefully, Hannah, we found your problem. So you can always do that. You can go to your account. You can search past transactions. Honestly, NearBlocks looks a bit better. It is a bit easier to manage with this, in my opinion. But Pikespeak has other types of information. So we were able to do it here, see the image. And so, again, we can go to Hannah. Wow, that should open on the same page. History. 49. So yeah, no new transactions yet. So that seems to be the issue. Let's see if it was updated with a new picture. Nope, no image, new image yet. So, that's what I think was one of the coolest parts. Looking at DeFi, looking at all the most recent trades, you can see, okay, well, USDC seems to be, and USDT seem to be the most active trades, all usually small values. And so usually that's probably just bots, right? Same with ETH, just bots. You don't have enough in your account to change your picture. We'll change it soon, though. Oh, fair enough. So you have a bit of marmaj. So if you can get to ref finance, you should be able to swap a bit of your marmaj for near. That's honestly the main use case for the marmaj, is just educational purposes. So you can come, swap 0.3 marmaj now you might need to be able to engage with other applications. Now, to be able to use ref finance, you will also need some near tokens. Asante, you didn't share your near account. So feel free to share your near account, and I'll still send you 0.19 marmaj for engaging, and I'll send you 0.2 near so that you could engage with applications. But yeah, Asante Nitro, feel free to send your near account. I don't think you sent it yet. And then I'll be able to send you some tokens, get you onboarded, get you started. But yeah, so I'm excited for this to be working more appropriately. So hopefully soon. The next most active stuff that I think is pretty interesting is, where is it? This is pretty interesting, seeing like which types of sectors, are most active. So like gaming and other stuff like that. Not what I'm looking for though. And this platform changes from time to time, so I'm just trying to this was pretty fun, looking at where funds have gone in the ecosystem. So from Near Foundation, where have funds gone? You can kind of check it out pretty large, like who's received payouts, the largest ones, where payments have gone. Not what I'm looking for right now, no. Validators. Okay, so we do have a validators page. Oh, nitro.near. Awesome. So first, let's send you a bit of near, ntrio.near. So this should allow you to interact with most applications, at least near social, and allow you to set up your near social account, ntiro.near. Awesome. And then, actually, I'll let you set up your near social account, Asante. Sorry, I have an Asante Gu on the end of one of my names, and so I always pronounce E's at the end of names with an Asante Gu and A. So if that's not correct, I'm sorry. But Asante, set your let's go back here. Let's refresh this one, duplicate, and ntiro.near. Okay. Sure, I'll follow you as well. And then that should give you time to set up your profile picture. Once you set your profile picture, I will also send you 0.19 marm. Oh no, 0.819 marmaj this week. Oh, I keep forgetting. As long as you have your profile set up this week, it's 0.819 marmaj. Okay, the last thing I wanted to check out was contract to contract analysis. Validators doesn't seem. Oh wait. Okay, so good validator information. Here wallet stakes only to Astro stakers. Hilarious. Stater not very. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, my head. Okay. That's. Oh, maybe only Zavoldi is the only person still staked there. I don't know. That's very weird. Linear looks a lot better. Love that. Cryptogaric, one of the largest allocations. Love to see that. They're a community builder, so that's huge. This looks fine. Yeah, this looks fine. Ready Layer 1. This is all done by voting on Metapool, so that's fine. Linear is not done by voting, but it's great to see a large amount. I don't think it's done by... Actually, they did launch token, so you know what? I need to look into... Awesome, I'm glad I'm saying it right, Asante. So Linear did launch a token. They might be doing community voting. I should look into it. I will look into it sometime in the next few weeks. But great to see community voters getting, a good chunk of the pie. Stater, I have no clue. They're not even live anymore, so I have no clue why Zavoldi's getting so much of the stake there. But awesome. What I'm looking for is... So there's money, right? And in money, I can search for marmaj. And it'll show me circulating supply, burn supply, basically nothing, the market cap, the current holders, almost 3,000 accounts, how many transfers there's been, how many people hold over $1, not that many, but this number is actually not terrible. 112 people hold over $10 of marmaj. That's a okay sum, and this number is where we're trying to be at. This in my opinion, is a pretty good number. 35 people hold over $100 in marmaj. That's pretty substantial. And you can see all the transfers I sent today to you guys. So Hannah's still waiting on her 0.8 marmaj, and let's just quadruple check on Hannah, or probably more than quadruple at this point. No, it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. That's all right. But you can see more information specifically about marmaj, which is great. But again, still not what I'm looking for. I might just move on. They might have removed it. There's DAOs, which is, you can look at the marmaj DAO. I don't know why it's interesting. Marmaj. Wow. UI isn't working very well here. It's making me select one of these DAOs instead of just choosing the marmaj DAO. There you go. And now we can... Okay, and then let's do the DAO. So I think they must have changed the ability to look up contract to contract. I'm not sure why. Oh, here, address to address analysis. Perfect. So under any contract now, you could look up, how much times has this account interacted with my gaming contract, right? And you can see, it's only showing fungible tokens. I don't know why I sent. So for this game, I spent 124 near in the pre-sale for this game. So that's Caymans.near. Awesome. So finally got you in here, Kwame. 0.819. Oh, I'm surprised I haven't seen Medar7.near in my comment section yet. My gosh. I figured you're the first one I see. Caymans.near. And then we will see. Yes, we have a picture up. And let's send away. You have like 4 marmaj. Awesome. Finish. Night. Alright, Asante. No profile picture yet. I'll keep these 2 up and I'll keep refreshing for the next few minutes. So for this contract analysis, I did show one of them. Let's try and find a more fun one, like mint. There you go. Mintbase 1.near. Let's see. Not as. Oh, here. It shows all the NFTs I've purchased. Oh no! This is just all the stores I've created. Wow. So these are all the smart contracts I've created on Mintbase. Marketplace? Is it I don't think that's the correct. Oh gosh. Mintbase rebranded today. Mintbase.xyz. So it might be called Bitte now or soon. If I want to buy an NFT, oh gosh, it goes to simple.market.mintbase, and so you could interact and see. I forgot the simple. There's been multiple markets, and so you can see. What? That is crazy. I've sent 774 near. What did I buy this stuff on? Whew! I spent $250 on this NFT. What was that? Oh, okay. Yeah. And then I spent, so you could say I received, I'm loaded, I've made 2.5 near on NFTs, and I've spent 1 USDC on NFTs, and I've earned 0.92 USDC from NFTs. So it's a pretty, if you want to analyze, how much your accounts are making on NFTs, you can put Paras contracts in here and other stuff, and you can do, so this is pretty cool to me, address to address analysis. It's only for fungible tokens mainly, but still pretty cool. Okay, so that's Pikespeak. Okay, so I'll go straight into so this is DeltaTrade.ai. I won't go too much into the whole platform again. Gachapon, I will do, wait. 1 chance left. What? Okay, let's see. Let's do our gachapon. I don't know why I only have 1 chance left. I've earned 25 cents so far. Let's see what happens. The marmaj pair isn't doing very well on DeltaTrade. Basically, it's not volatile enough, which we did know was going to be a problem. Trades are ooh, we got some marmaj. Nice. I think they took some of the trading fees and put it into the gachapon because not many people were interacting. Let's see. So yeah, I just told the team, at first when I was talking with the team, I was saying, let's put more of the funds towards the ranking, the trading competition. I think the issue there is that, first of all, no one knows about the trading competition. It's not very well highlighted. It's hard to find on the page. Even when you go here, you have to go to the ranking reward. Then from the ranking reward, you have to go and find marmaj. And then again, there's one person winning. So great job, Doctor. I'm in 3rd place with my tiny strategy. This person, I won't creep on them on the stream. 1.7 marmaj, and the rest of them's here. Marmaj collector, with 2.2 marmaj. So great, great job earning. I wonder if I can see the vaults. It won't let me see the vaults. So lots of work needs to be done on the platform still. So that's not ready yet. But profit ranking. Let's see. Okay, so I've earned the most profit, and I'm going to earn 6.6 marmaj for that. So some information here is great, but the gachapon means that even you guys who are here can start earning marmaj in the gachapon. So you can start earning marmaj right now, right? Like I just earned 0.0015 marmaj, which isn't that much. So 0.0015 is like 1 cent. Okay, so nothing crazy. But you can start earning marmaj every day by coming on DeltaTrade. So there's that. Not going very well. We're already new because of the volatility. So liquidity, we are in talks with a team to increase the liquidity. So hopefully liquidity will get increased over time, which means the 1 marmaj size trade. So if I go to dashboard and I go to marmaj 300, and let's go to, keep it really simple. If I go to the trading vault and I try and open a new trade, the minimum investments, wait, what? Oh, shoot. So there must have been slippage issues. So now they changed it to 1.5. Okay, so last time it was 1, and because of a slippage, it must be 1. Okay. Well, okay. Now that I know this, I'm going to change my vault. Again, I know. The trading competition is ending soon. Wait, let's see when it ends. Campaign. Competition. Where does it say? It ends June 25th? Isn't that like tomorrow? Okay, well maybe I won't take it off today. So next week, what I'm going to focus on, upload a pic, but it hasn't updated yet. So maybe you're having the same issue, Asante? That's actually really weird. So let's creep you on near blocks. And it seems like there might be a bug. Oops, this is a transfer. I'm looking for... taking so long to load. Okay. I'm looking for... I don't think this was the set. Oh, here. Near social. Transfer. Okay. I actually don't know why it's going so slow at the moment. Let's... click this. Having some issues with near blocks at the moment. Maybe that's telling me that I should switch to near... to Pikespeak. Detailed. Okay. Oh, this is just following me. Awesome. Thank you for the follow. History. So that's you getting to. Yes, I don't think. Yeah, just I don't think you set yet. So when you set, it has to save. So yeah, once your tokens are on your account, it does need to have, and yeah. If it doesn't work, but by the end of the stream, if it doesn't work for you two, I'll just send the 0.19. I think Hannah already got the 0.19, but Asante, I'll just send you the 0.19 marmaj. No worries if you can't get it to work. There could be, you could need more near in your account. Not exactly sure. But anyways, daily gachapon working well. I will wait till tomorrow after the trading competition is done. Oh, sorry, next week I will. Actually, sorry, I meant to check which account is here. So it's marmaj small. Got me into third place here, and then. Oops. It's not even saying which one. I made 9 cents and it's saying I win from 9 cents. But that's just marmaj small, which means marmaj 300. How did marmaj small? I love that. It's saying it's done 0 trades. This one only had a buy and sell at 0.1 and 0.2. And did no data. How is this one in first place? I don't know. So I'll wait till next week. I'll delete all 3 of these next week, and I will recreate one with 1.5 minimum lot sizes. Because it seems like, or maybe even 2. Wait, wouldn't the 1.5 make it even worse? Yeah, let me ask. That doesn't make any sense to me. I also see $1.5. Any reason for this? So yeah, I would be under the assumption that we'd want to go down, right? So I would actually rather see, like on near, if I try and maybe gas fees is why. It went up in everything. It went up on everything. So here it's 1.78 near. Wow. Yeah, weird. It sucks that a few people that you guys aren't able to upload pictures at the moment. And obviously that the background picture did work and stuff like that. So seems like maybe a bug on the near social. Okay, so one last thing I would try is just go to dev.near.org. Near.org. And I guess I can send this to you guys as well. But, oh gosh, this looks weird now. Why does this look so weird? Mint-based wallet is on near.org. Oh, they changed this to... Oh, this is so weird. Oh, this is so weird. What is this? Sign up or log in, that's why. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So stressful. So stressful. So stressful. So stressful. Oh god. Okay. What is going on? Profile. I did it. I did it, team. Edit profile. So this will probably work. So let me get... I'm going to drop this link in marmaj research. And then I'll drop this link in the chat for you all. And yeah, that should work with no issues. I'm glad I did it on live because it is a bit weird to log into. The login's on the bottom left instead of the top right. It does give a cleaner look to the page. But yeah, so dev.near.org is the new kind of near.org, and you can do it this way, and it should work to save profile that way. So yeah. Minimum vault sizes has gone up. I asked the developers for the reasoning, I'm assuming it's to increase profit based on gas prices. The only issue is that, again, for marmaj, there's not much liquidity. And so we'll see how that ends up working. Yeah, we'll see how that. Ooh, the low went a bit lower. Nice. So 6.9 to 7.5 would have been great. I think we have one that's 6.9. Yeah, this one here, 6.9 to 7.5. But it seems like it does seem like trades are going through. But yeah, there's not much. 3 cents of profit. So this one seems to be actually doing something. It's actually in profit over since it's gone, and I don't know why it's saying. Yeah, that seems. I don't like how it shows the investment profit. This is the actual profit from arbitrage. So yeah, that's a bit about DeltaTrade, where I'm at, what's happening next week, trading competition. If you were able to participate, hopefully it went well, and hopefully you're on the list. One thing I did want to do before going into DeltaTrade was to go over the farms. And each week I will just awkwardly claim my few cents on here. Approve. So in my marmaj, last week we put some funds into the marmaj ST near farm. The funds are now here, 31 cents. I'll hit all. I will withdraw my rewards. And just, I saw that comment, Nedlar. Not all of them might be coming up, sadly. I think as we do this, YouTube will start knowing that you guys aren't bots. So keep liking the video, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully YouTube will know that you guys aren't bots. You'll be able to type, take part in like the giveaways and stuff like that. But yeah, so if you're not already liking and following the videos, that might help with the algorithm on that side. Okay, so that's through everything again. Feel free to post on Minsta for next week. I will be searching for each person's account. So when you type your account, I'm going to search for it here. And then, if you have a post sent, that's great. Before I forget, on the Minsta dev side, to add to do profile images from social.near added to UI for accounts. Sorry, I'm just adding my own notes now before I end off, because I will forget right after this. So to do for Minsta, I said we're gonna add the profile images, which I think would be really cool. I think a follow button would be really awesome. Maybe plus notifications, right? So Near Social has a whole notification system, so it would be awesome if you can like follow certain posters and get Near Social notifications on here. Again, we don't have to build on Boss, although I do think this looks pretty clean, like just generally. Not now. Again, notifications was right there, documentation. So someone was saying that it says like don't build on Boss somewhere here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it's saying anymore here, but it doesn't matter. We can still use some of the components in there. So profile images from social.near added to UI for accounts with follow button and notifications. So next week we'll do that. I already said like buttons, and yeah, I think that's. I'm already forgetting what else should be here. Oh, and then we're going to try out some giveaways on the platform. That's about it. So thank you everyone for coming out. I will check Hannah's one more time, even though I don't think it was working, sadly. No! And then Asante, I will, even if it's not working, I'll send you 0.19 marmaj. And then sometime this week you can get it sorted. Dev.near.org should sort you out. But 0.19, marmaj, Antiro, continue. Oh, nice. So you got 0.819 from last week. Awesome. But yes, this week's homework is the profile picture, and then next week's homework is posting on Minsta. And I think honestly, each week it'll be just as long as you post on Minsta and have like even if it was right here in the bottom right, it'd be kind of cool seeing your profile images added to UI for accounts. Bottom right of moment image, hover over image to follow. Okay, yeah. So I think it should just be you hover over the image to be able to follow them, click follow, and then you can have some feed of the people you follow. Oh yeah, there you go. Feed of followers. We're basically building a social media platform without trying to. It's definitely not meant to be that, but Near Social makes it easy to add the social elements. Images makes it easy to, obviously be visual appealing and share. So I think that was all the giveaways. I think that's all the pages. So each week for now, we will be going over Meteor Wallet and going over our little tinkers. We'll be going over MetaPool, talking about our votes, what stage of the month we're in. So 9 days left, so next week will not be in time to claim our next rewards, but it's around $25, $26 a month, which is pretty great. Again, where do these rewards that I'm giving out today come from? Some of those rewards, yeah. It's funny, your message, Cloudhead, got flagged, but I love it. Like the video and subscribe. I love it. We'll be going through Pikespeak. I would love to go through the DeFi, and I would love to be able to show... Did it change again? They changed it again. Oh, sorry. I would love to be able to search marmaj and be able to show the live trades on marmaj as we're talking on our video, which would be super cool. Ref Finance, I'll mainly be taking stuff out of the farm each week, but also there is the meme season going on, and I'll be talking about that each month as it gets time for voting in the meme season. DeltaTrade, next week we're going to reset our trades, but each week I'll be looking at the strategies, looking how to reassess them, and of course we have Minsta. Fridays I'll be talking a bit more about Minsta, hopefully. Haven't really figured out Friday streams specifically. This Friday got busy, but thank you everyone for coming out to Chloethedev Unfiltered. Appreciate everyone coming out, taking part. If you ever have any questions, concerns, comments, feel free to share them as well. But for now, I will slowly be ending the stream. I'm gonna, as always, I'll kind of turn off the video first and audio, and give it a few moments for things to wind down. So video is going off, and then just so I can see how long it takes for the audio after the video, I will just kind of randomly say bye and thank you again before I turn off the audio, which shouldn't be much longer.